Basic AutoCAD tutorial. How to draw line. Type L for short line or polyline PL. You can also change the thickness of the line by type PL for polyline, then type W for width, then enter what's the thickness. You can use 4. Yeah. So, nag-iba yung thickness. Yeah. So, para mas malaki, gawin natin with 55. Polyline. Yung kaibahan ng